Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about equations of straight line. To define a straight line, you have two methods. The first one is that you know one point on the line and the gradient of the line. The second method that is you know the coordinates of two different points on the line. Let's look at the first condition that you have one point on the line. We said that x1, y1, this is a point you know. And also you know the gradient. Then we can write the equation of the line. That is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. This is for the question that you know one point on the line and the gradient, one point that is x1, y1 on the line and the gradient m. Now let's see an example question. So the question said to find the equation of the line with gradient 1/3 that passes through the point -1, 2. So this is the condition that you know the one point and the gradient. That point is -1, 2, and the gradient m equals to 1/3. So use the equation of a line here. We can write that y minus 2 equals to 1/3 times x minus -1. Then we rearrange that. We have y equals to 1/3x plus 1/3 plus 2. So y equals to 1/3x plus 7/3. Now for the second question, it asks you to find the equation of the line that passes through the points 1 minus 2 and 3 minus 5. So you have now the coordinates of 2 points. So the first point, we said that x1, y1 equals to 1 minus 2 and x2, y2. The second point is 3 minus 5. Now you can calculate the gradient of this equation. So m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. We have -5 minus -2, so that is +2 over 3 minus 1 equals to -3/2. Now we can write the equation of line, that is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1. So be aware of that, you need to substitute x coordinate and the corresponding y coordinate. So we substitute this one. For example, we can write y minus 2, that is +2, equals to, we have the gradient over here, so that is -3/2 times x minus 1. And then we rearrange that. What we have y equals to -3/2x plus 3/2 minus 2. So y equals to minus 3 over 2x minus half. Now let's move on to see the exam question. We have the straight line L passes through 3a4 and 5a minus 1. And equation of L is 4x plus by minus 13 equals to 0. It asks you to find the value of a and the value of b. From the equation of L, 4x plus by minus 13 equals to 0, we can transform it into the form y equals to mx plus c to find the gradient of this equation. So we want to find m. So we have by equals to 13 minus 4x. So y equals to minus 4 over bx plus 13 over b. Now we have that m equals to minus 4 over b. From previous video, we know that m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we have the 2 points, 3a, 4 and 5a minus 1. Then we substitute them into this formula. So y2, we say that this is minus 1. And y1 is 3a. Y1 is 4, so minus 4. x2 is 5a and x1 is 3a, so minus 3a. What we have? We have minus 5 over 2a. Thus, from these two equations, we can have that minus 4 over b equals to minus 5 over 2a. Then we rearrange that. We have b equals to 8 over 5a. Now we can substitute any point into the line L. For example, I want to substitute 3a4 into the equation 4x plus by minus 13 equals to 0. So substitute 3a4 into the line L. So 12. So that is 4 times 3a plus 4b minus 13 equals to 0. Then we can substitute b equals to 8 over 5a into this expression. We have 4 times 3a plus 4 times 8 over 5a minus 13 equals to 0. Then we have 12a plus 32 over 5a minus 13 equals to 0. What we left? We left the 92 over 5a equals to 13. So a equals to 35 over 92. Then we substitute a, the value of a, into the expression of b. We have b equals to 8 over 5 times 65 over 92. So we can cancel 5, that is 113. And we can cancel the 4, that is, we left 2 times 4, that is 8, so that is 2. And 4 over here, that 23. So we have 26 over 23. Thus we get the answer. The value of A is 65 over 92, and the value of B is 26 over 23. So the key point for this question is that you need to find the relationship between A and B. To find that, we use the gradient to link A and B. And then we can substitute the expression of B into the equation and 1 point into the line to get the value of A and then get the value of B. Now move on to the second question. So we have the lines y equals to x minus 5 and 4x plus 5y minus 20 equals to 0 intersect at the point A, which means A is on the line y equals to x minus 5 and 4x plus 5y minus 20 equals to 0. You know there's another point B has coordinates minus 1, 4. So the question asks you to find the equation of the line that passes through the point A and B. In order to do that, the first thing we need to do is to find the coordinate of A. Then we will get the coordinates of 2 points to find the equation of the line. So we want to find point A. We have simultaneous equation that is y equals to x minus 5 and 4x plus 5y minus 20 equals to 0. We can substitute 1 into 2, equation 2. So that is 4x plus 5 times x minus 5 minus 20 equals to 0. We rearrange that, we have 9x minus 45 equals to 0. So 9x equals to 45, x equals to 5. Then we can get the value of y, that is y equals to 5 minus 5 equals to 0. So point A is 5, 0. Now we know the coordinates of 2 points. So A is 5, 0 and B is minus 1, 4. In this case, we can calculate the gradient of the equation of the line that passes through the points A and B. We have m equals to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1 equals to 4. So we substitute the y coordinate of B. So 4 minus 0 and x2, that is minus 1 minus 5. What we left minus 2 over 3. Now we know the gradient, we can write the equation of the line that equals to y minus y1 equals to minus 2 over 3 times x minus x1. In here, I want to substitute the coordinates of A. So substitute coordinates of A. If you wish, you can substitute the coordinates of B. Then we can get y minus 0 equals to minus 2 over 3 times x minus 5. And rearrange that, we have y equals to minus 2 over 3x plus 10 over 3. Well, the question asks you to write your answer in the form ax plus by plus c equals to 0, where a, b, c are integers. So we don't want to have the denominator. So we need to times 3 on the both hand side. That is 3y equals to minus 2x plus 10. And rearrange that, we want the right hand side equals to 0. We have 2x plus 3y minus 10 equals to 0. So that's where a equals to 2, b equals to 3, and c equals to minus 10. Okay, that is the answer. Here is a conclusion for this lesson. You can pause the video and make some notes. Thank you for watching.